Boston Dynamics, Atlas stances into the future. Boston Dynamics is back with another jaw-dropping video, and this time their Atlas robot isn't just walking, it's flipping, cartwheeling and even breakdancing. This isn't just for show. Atlas movements come from reinforced learning, motion capture and advanced AI, making it one of the most agile humanoid robots ever built. And the technology keeps on improving. Boston Dynamics is deepening its collaboration with NVIDIA using the Jetson Thor computing platform to power complex AI models. At this pace, robots won't just be outthinking us, but they'll be outmoving us too. The future of robotics is looking very dynamic. And that's it for your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.